Hi lovelies, welcome again to Weather Styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. Thank you for really stopping by. Today I have fascinating short hairstyles. These styles are catchy. These styles are one of the most captivating short hairstyles for beautiful black women. So if you really want to take off your ears, please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone for really staying low. God bless you guys. See you at the end of the video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys beautiful hair trends that are really trending this summer and in this year 2022. These hairstyles are really dominating hairstyles as far as short hairstyle is concerned. So whether you're finally ready, to really go for that big chop or really try out a dazzling new hairstyle, those hairstyles today are fascinating hairstyle. It's a hairstyle that is really trending, because it emphasizes on your self-expression with this year's hair trend, which means more people these days are really embracing bolder haircut like this you're seeing, and the textures and holes than ever before. You can see this woman, she was crying thinking she's late for her wedding, but see the haircut, because short hairstyles are really trending. Even you can rock your hairstyles for your wedding, even if it's an occasion or any birthday parties. So today we are showing you guys the reinventing of your self-image and leaving those bad days behind. If you really want to discover styles that will be dominating this year 2022, please make sure you watch this video to the end, because those styles are pretty lovely hairstyles that are great for every beautiful black woman. I love you guys. Let me not just talk much, guys. Just take your time and just check out those beautiful hairstyles that are lovely. Just give your hair that beautiful effect with those beautiful styles. Try to use the best product. I've always recommended the Dogs hair kit. I've always recommended the Kinks and Coils. The merely like the styles those stylists which is cut use here mostly is the merely kits. Is something that will really control the frizz and give your coils extra body. These styles are really organic driven formula, and most customers are really saying good about it because they really adore how it adds that extra definition and texture to their stresses. So I really appreciate how little you have to use to get coils, like to be gorgeous and defined as those beautiful styles you are seeing on the screen. You can also use the shampoo because it really cleanses the scalp and gives you that nice restart for the month. So these are ideal for those with an oily scalp or even that kind of added build up. So let me not just talk more, just take your time and watch this video to the end and let me know your mind in the comment section below. But at first, trust your video, you're not going to regret watching this video to the end, because these are really classic styles indeed. God bless you guys, and see you guys at the end of the video.
my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Always, always. 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 What would I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I gain if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Is it the car? Is it the house? I'll give them all to you. Is it the name? Is it the fame? I'm nothing without you, Lord. What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold